How to fix GCash keeps logging me out. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If the GCash keeps logging you out, disrupting your payments and money transfers, here are some troubleshooting steps you can carry. First of all, you have to check the device storage. GCache requires the space to store your app data, so clear the cache files and delete unused apps to free up the storage. Go to Settings, scroll down and go to Apps. From here, simply search for GCache application. Once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down and go to Storage and then click on Clear Cache and also click on Clear Data. Now you can also try setting the date and time automatically. Incorrect date and time settings can cause login issues. So go to your device setting and then enable the automatic date and time updates. Now make sure that your device operating system and the GCache app are up to date. So outdated software can lead to problems. Check for and install any available updates. And to update the GCache application, you can go to App Store or Play Store, search for GCache, and if you find an update button instead of open button highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. You can also try uninstalling the application completely from your device and then reinstalling it. Tap and hold the application and then click on uninstall and click on OK to confirm the decision. Check your internet connection as well. A poor or unstable Wi-Fi or mobile connection can cause unexpected logouts. So ensure that you have a strong signal. And if none of the steps work, reach out to the GCache support and they may be able to reset your account if it's stuck in a logout loop. So hopefully these troubleshooting tips will help you resolve your GCache login issues. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.